Welcome to today's video, where we delve into the world of beverages, specifically the benefits of green tea versus herbal infusions. I'm your guide, and let's jump right in. Green tea, renowned for its antioxidants, and herbal infusions, a diverse range of caffeine-free blends. We'll compare and contrast their benefits, addressing common queries. 1. Antioxidant power. Green tea, a powerhouse of antioxidants, boasts 30% polyphenols. Herbal infusions, rich in vitamins, provide a varied antioxidant profile. Both contribute to cell protection against oxidative stress. 2. Stress reduction. Green tea contains L-theanine, promoting relaxation without drowsiness. Herbal infusions like chamomile aid in reducing stress, making them ideal for winding down. 3. Digestive health. Both options support digestion. Green tea aids metabolism, while peppermint-infused herbal teas ease indigestion. Lived experiences highlight improved digestive comfort with consistent consumption. 4. Caffeine content. Green tea contains moderate caffeine, providing a gentle energy boost. Herbal infusions, caffeine-free, offer a soothing alternative for those sensitive to stimulants. 5. Weight management. Green tea's catechins enhance fat burning, contributing to weight management. Herbal infusions like dandelion and ginger may aid in appetite control. Pro tip: incorporate these into a balanced diet. 6. Immune support. Both choices support the immune system. Green tea's egg and herbal tea's vitamins enhance overall health. Experience fewer sick days with consistent consumption. Common pain points. Sensitivity to caffeine? Opt for herbal infusions. Need a morning pick-me-up? Green tea might be your ally. Understanding your preferences addresses common dilemmas. Proper brewing enhances benefits. For green tea, steep at 175 for 2-3 minutes. Herbal infusions vary chamomile at 212 for 5-7 minutes. Mastering the brewing process ensures optimal flavor and benefits. Pro tips: 1. Experiment with blends for personalized benefits. 2. Stay consistent to experience long-term health benefits. Your journey starts with the first sip. Before we conclude, if you found this information valuable, like and subscribe. Share your preferences in the comments, and let's continue this conversation. Thank you for joining our exploration of green tea vs. herbal infusions. Until next time, stay hydrated and stay healthy.